everything what this Dugdugi stands for. And I must tell you, I must thank Team Satyendra. Wonderful work, putting together so many untold stories. Because behind this a long story is there. Some 1 year back when we went to Delhi, there was a power company which has launched a small app, not to this scale, but very primitive. And since then the idea was said that RINL should have a communication strategy. And we have been working for some time, and then we seek the blessing of CMD sir, and he wholeheartedly supported us in our endeavor. And believe me, it has been a long howling work, and my special thanks to Manisha also, because she has put her heart and soul into this. It is not only the selection of the app, the development, the testing, the implementation, and I know how many sleepless nights she had. And in fact, I am very happy to tell you, after long, because you know, once you develop the app, you have to submit it to the Google for coming up in the Play Store. And yesterday night, 11:57, it was uploaded in the Play Store to make it available to us. You can see the kind of effort she has put into this. And of course the whole team, because it's not only because we have to design the content of it. So we have a 5 minutes video for this, she will be playing it. And this needs a lot of back-end work also, because not only the launching, it has to be done in a sustainable, and it will demand lot of inputs. We have to process it and then verify and then upload. And I'm sure the people will be looking at what is the next, aaj kya ho raha, event kya. So many features it is there, more than 17 to 18 icons are there. We will try to run it in a 5 minutes or so, and it has been told in a story form. And I think voice, Manisha has only given, you can listen indirectly through the video also. So I would like to, Manisha, and after that we will have the launch. Okay, you please run the video on that. I request, please switch off the front lights.
Central in how we live. Today, we take you on a journey of an RINL employee's communication needs and how he meets them. This is Roshan, an employee of RINL. Roshan has a smartphone like many of us, and he has several apps installed in his phone. That explains why his phone memory is almost always full and is running slow. Roshan generally logs into different social media apps separately, and finding RINL on social media was a time-consuming task for him. One day, Roshan discovers an app that covers almost all of his communication needs. Come, let us explore this app along with Roshan. Welcome to RINL Dugdugi app. Dugdugi is the Indian musical instrument that was used in the olden days by the king's messenger to draw the attention of the people and communicate effectively. Hitesh, one of Roshan's friends, he wants to know about RINL. Roshan shares with him on WhatsApp the About Us section and also the RINL Roundup contents. The About Us section contains information from RINL's latest corporate brochure. RINL Roundup has special sections and subsections like corporate communications, sports and CSR, which further have magazines like EU Kuvani, Sports Coffee Table Book. Go ahead, explore the section. Roshan receives a call from a customer of RINL. Hello, I am Sarveshwar from Nellore. I want to know about RINL's products. Roshan is not from marketing department, but he doesn't want to turn down a potential customer. So Roshan proceeds to RINL's website from the Dugdugi app immediately. From there, he retrieves certain information and shares it with Sarveshwar over WhatsApp. Roshan had missed last year's RINL Formation Day celebration, but he had heard that it had been a great show. Well, Roshan can now watch the celebration and many more videos related to RINL events. Wonder how? By clicking on the play button
given on RINL Dugdugi app. That takes you directly to the YouTube channel of RINL. Yes, Roshan is now subscribed to RINL's YouTube channel, Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited RINL. Apart from RINL's YouTube channel, Roshan can now directly visit the other official handles like on Facebook, RINL Vizag Steel. Few days ago, Roshan had been featured on the official Twitter handle of RINL, that is RINL_VSP, for his exemplary work during COVID times. Now he can directly access the Twitter post by clicking on the Twitter icon given on the app. He can also create his own Twitter account and log into Twitter through the Dugdugi app. And of course, he can share that post with his friends and family members. Roshan has been keen on knowing about the upcoming events of RINL. Now, with a single click on the RINL events icon, Roshan is going to stay informed about the upcoming events at Vizag Steel Plant. Meet Roshan's wife Sneha. Sneha, she is a member of V Steel Mahila Samiti. Now she can access the VMS website from the app itself. Roshan's kids are a creative lot. Their paintings, stories, poems can now be displayed on the Creative Corner section of the app. In fact, why only his kids? Roshan and like him, RINL employees and their dependents can submit articles for publication in the Creative Corner section. But how can Roshan submit his and his family members' success stories or creative work for publication on the app? By forwarding through HOD or school principal to the given email ID. But before that, please read the instructions carefully. Roshan is fond of photography and often takes pictures of Ukku Nagaram's natural beauty. So here is a platform for the budding photographers of RINL. They can send their entries for publication in our app. Meet Roshan's sister, Ekta. She is a teacher and during Corona pandemic, she had taken online courses. Now Ekta can share her stories through RINL Parivar. And like her, many RINL employees and dependents and service providers can submit us articles for publication. Roshan has some guests coming over to his place for a function at Gurjada Kalakshetram. They are new to his place. So Roshan shares with them important landmarks of Ukku Nagaram given on the map section of the app. Roshan has access to RINL's 2021 calendar on his phone thanks to RINL Dugdugi app. So, be smart like Roshan and download RINL Dugdugi app. You can now download RINL Dugdugi app from the Google Play Store. We have also shared the link for RINL Dugdugi app on the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching.
Studio, and it will be not only for taking passport size photograph during retirement. It will be much more in a higher level. And particularly, we will be launching the e-calendar also. I will request her to there. There is a Google map also. In that we have incorporated. I told them to incorporate because I was tired every day evening walk. I had to tell people where is the Gurjada because they always come from outside to attend marriages in the Gurjada. So that came to our mind, why not put it? Like this, it has went on building and we have right now 18. In future, as the demand comes, we will see how to work on that. But we will seek your blessings and advise also how to improve and serve everyone. Now we will request Chairman Sir and others to join. We will press the calendar section because there was a directive from the government few months back. There won't be any printing of diaries or calendar. So we thought of launching a e-calendar in this, and I will request Sir to kindly dedicate that.